ready to transform your idea into a stunning online reality. Let's build your very own WordPress website from scratch. First, you'll need a home for your website, a circumflex euros. That's your domain name. Think of it as your online address. You can register one through various providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Choose something memorable and relevant to your brand or purpose. Next, choose a reliable web hosting provider. This is where your website's files will live. Many hosts offer specialized WordPress plans, making setup a breeze. Popular choices include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine. They often bundle domain registration and WordPress installation, simplifying things even further. Once your hosting is set up, you'll have access to the WordPress Dashboard. This is your command center. If your host didn't install WordPress automatically, you can usually do it with a few clicks through their control panel. Now for the fun part: appearance. Head over to Themes, then click Add New. WordPress offers thousands of free themes to get you started. Browse by features, popularity, or industry. Look for themes that are mobile responsive and have good reviews. You can also explore premium themes from marketplaces like ThemeForest for more advanced features and designs. Once you've chosen a theme, click Install, and then activate. Most themes come with a customizer where you can tweak colors, fonts, upload your logo, and adjust the layout to match your brand identity. Take your time exploring these options. With your design in place, it's time for content. Navigate to Pages to create essential pages like your About Us, Contact, or Services page for blog content or articles. Go to Posts. The WordPress editor is intuitive. A circumflex euros. You can add text, images, videos, and more with ease. Think of it like a modern word processor. Use the Add Block feature to insert different types of content. Experiment with headings to structure your information, and add engaging images and videos to break up text. Remember, clear, concise, and valuable content is key to capturing your audience's attention. And just like that, you've built your very own WordPress website. From choosing your domain to crafting your content, you're now equipped to establish your online presence effectively. Congratulations on launching your dream website.